So today we have a printer, and the client came in saying that her printer couldn't print purple, or what's called magenta. So an easy way to solve this with some simple steps: whichever printer you have, if you have a dashboard, you're gonna go to settings, and then you're gonna go to maintenance, and then it's gonna give you multiple options. You can do print head nozzle check or print head cleaning. I started with the first option, print head nozzle check. First is going to print a page. As you can see, it's missing some colors. You have black and blue, but you're missing magenta and yellow. So then what's gonna happen is it's going to clean the nozzle, and then you're going to print another chest page. And over time, this is the second one. As you can see, it's getting a little better, but it's still not quite where it needs to be. You're probably gonna have to run this test several times and do a deep clean. It can take between 3 and 4 minutes per clean. Eventually, you wanna get to where you see this final result. As you can see, you have all your colors. There's no blemishes. It's not missing any marks. This is what you want it to look like, and then you're ready to print.